皆さんおはようございます。スティーブ・テックチャンのスティーブです。スカイちゃんもいる。スカイちゃん、こんにちは。今からかっこいい車が来るよ。以前覚えてる方がいるかもしれないんだけど、車のイベントでスカイちゃん、フィガロってわかる？フィガロ見つかったね。フィガロを発見してオーナーさんと連絡取って、今から来るよ、こっちに。今から来るよ、スカイちゃん。フィガロがね、楽しみにしていますので、フィガロかっこいいよね。ところでかっこいいといえば、これもう限定品なので、お早めに、stevepov.jp でチェックしてね。2種類あります。新作でよろしく。ほら、フィガロが来た。フィガロビートも来た。Z も来た。すげえ。スカイちゃんすごいよ。見て、あら、フィガロ、女性乗りのフィガロ。はい。Hey, the beat. Woo! イタシャもすげえな。Come on in, guys. You can pull right in here. スカイちゃん、すごいじゃん。すごい。フィガロ、イエーイ。ナイス。わあ、イタシャの Z もかっけえ。ナイス。So nice. Woo! Wow, かっこいい. Hey man, nice ride. Looking good. What's up? Thanks for coming, man. Wow. There you are. Hey. エアサスのフィガロがいいな。最高。スカイちゃん、フィガロが来たよ。嬉しいんだよね。俺も嬉しいよ。パパも嬉しい。見て、可愛い車でしょ。可愛いと思わない？すごいいい車だよ。フィガロはね、パパは乗ったことあるよ。昔、一回カリフォルニアで。でもテキサスで初めて見つかったフィガロは、このフィガロです。なんでこんなにキスなの今はスカイシー。ね、すごいいい車。フィガロは、その日産の、ほら、B1、そしてパオ、そしてエスカルゴと同じクラスのこれパイクカーと呼ばれてるんだよね。パイクカー。かっこいいよ。レトロっぽくて、色も良くて、程度も良くて、そして何よりこの車の面白いのはシャコタンといえば、エアサスに、乗ってます。これはね、珍しいことなんですよね。他でエアサスに乗ってる、フィガロは他にないかな？少ないと思います。可愛い車です。これは4キットのターボ車。上はオープンになって、こう走るとめっちゃ気持ちいい車です。思い出すんだよね。フィガロという名前が、フィガロというオペラがあったんだよね。フィガロ。なんで歌いたくなるんだよね。これを見ると可愛い車です。そして女性のオーナーです。奥さん、旦那も乗ったりしているんだけど、一応奥さんの車として買われたっていう、もう日本車好きな家族なんで、早速ちょっとインタビュー、させてもらおうかなと考えているので、彼女の名前はイエンテって言うんだけど、英語になるとでも円って日本円の円っていう同じ名前なので、ちょっと乗せてもらえるかな。運転させてもらえるかな。オーナーさんのことを紹介したいと思います。And come on in. How are you? Nice to see you. Thanks for coming all the way out to my place.
Oh, absolutely.
Pretty far ride, huh?
Yeah,
Was it fun?
It was fun.
It was a good exercise for the Figgy, wasn't it?
It was, yes. She needed
Yes,
it.
she needed a nice ride like this. That's awesome. I love your car. I saw your car the first time several months ago. It was at Fueled Up or one of those meets.
Yes.
I was walking around, I said, oh my God, a Figaro. And then I noticed it was on airbags. And I said, oh my God, a bag Figaro. And then I was like, oh my, a lady owns this Figaro too. So it was like a triple wow, the most amazing thing, such a cute car. And I mean, I fell in love with it from that time. And I said, one of these days, I've got to get together with you and your husband, who I've been talking back and forth with about stuff, about filming this car. So thank you for coming all the way out here today. I got to ask you a couple questions.
Okay.
Why a Figaro? Why did you choose a Figaro?
Well, the story is we went to buy a Skyline for my husband.
Okay.
But I saw one of these.
Yeah.
And I was like, I'm getting that car.
It was that easy.
It was that. So he didn't get a Skyline, but I got my Figaro, and the rest is history.
No Skyline? Sold out for a Figgy, huh?
I did it only because I figured that if my wife got car parts, I could get car parts too.
Ah, you're very smart. Very smart. I like that. Hey, you know what though? The fact that you love cars, your husband loves cars, and is this your son?
Yes.
And does he love cars too?
He loves cars.
He looks like he loves cars
Yeah.
too. He likes dogs too. Thanks for taking care of our little Sky. I love your car. I love it. And you know, I've driven a Figaro once before in California. And I'll tell you, it was so much fun. It was so much fun. In fact, I'll tell you, when I drove that car, it wound up on Japanese TV on the morning news.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Which makes me think, I wonder if I just so happen to drive another Figaro, if it would also possibly wind up on the morning news in Japan again.
Maybe, I don't know.
I wonder if we
could see.
do you think we could possibly see?
I have the keys
Is
ready.
that Can I see that? Oh my God! Yatta! Figaro no 試乗ができました! Thank you, Anne. Let's go for a ride. Ah! Tell me about this keychain.
So this keychain is actually from 1991. It actually came from Nissan Japan.
No
and
way.
we ordered it. We
No.
found it and ordered it, and it came in, and I loved it so much and everything. And actually, we just took it out of the package. We
Yeah.
had it for months, but we took it out just because we did not want to use it.
失礼します. Hi, Anne.
Hi. Oh, I didn't realize I was on here.
No, you're gonna be right. Whoa, it's really close. もうレトロのところが多くて、見れば見るほど本当すごいです。こういうところ、こういうデザイン、細かいですよね。この色の、まずはこれパールでしたよね。これは貝だよね。このデザインがめちゃくちゃ可愛い。このデザインこだわってたんだよね。本当に日産がおしゃれなところ、ここまでこのデザイン、形もいいし。ここまで太いものから細くなっていくもので、このなんか貝っぽいデザインと、フィガロのステレオと、このあたりの本当に50年代のレトロっぽい感じ。ウィンカーもすごくいいんだよね。ほら、ハザード入れると、ここが点密。いいよね。形がいい。こういうデザインも、やっぱりまた作ってほしいなと思いますね。多分、スティーブだけじゃなくていろんな方が日産、日本の自動車メーカーにもまた作っていただければ幸いです。ね。Thank you for letting me drive your car. I love it. I'm so used to driving manuals lately that I always forget with an automatic that we don't have to push on a clutch or anything. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see. Car up. Figaroの試乗アップは今からです。This car, so classic, so cool. The gauges, the mother of pearl, the design and everything that's in here is just so retro and so cool.
Cute.
So cute. Yeah, how can you not smile when you drive this car? I love the Figaro rumble, I call it, that little 4-cylinder little vibration. They all seem to have that.
Yeah.
They all have that. So cool. You know, we were talking about cars like this, these Japanese retro cars, right? How, like, there's nothing made like this nowadays, right?
Oh, no, yeah.
And I don't know if Nissan or any other company will ever make another car like this. What do you think?
I don't think they will. This is, I mean, it's such a classic look.
You know the 4 cars that were made like the Figaro? Do you know the other 3, what their names are? There were 4 retro cars called part of the Nissan Heritage Collection, is what it was called. And they called these pipe cars, okay? That was a nickname for them in Japanese. Well, they had the Figaro.
Okay.
You had a car called the Escargot.
Okay.
Like escargot. You have a car called a B1. Okay, and then there was one more called the POW.
I love
There
the
you go.
POW.
The POW is so cute,
It's
right?
the cutest.
Awesome. We're low today. We're scraping. There they go. What's up, guys? We never had these cars here, so a lot of people don't know about them, right? But when people see this car, what is their reaction?
Oh, I get head turns, lots of head turns and thumbs ups.
I bet you
and
get a
peace
lot of head
signs.
turns and thumbs up.
Yeah.
When you drive with your mom in this car, is it cool? Do you feel like a lot of people are looking at you?
I like fast cars.
You like fast cars. Is this a fast car?
No,
No.
No, this is a slow car, huh?
very slow.
It's very slow. It's not about driving fast all the time. Sometimes driving slow and cruising is a lot of fun too.
Yes.
Especially when it puts a big smile on your face. Do you feel happy when you drive in this car with your mom?
Kind of.
Kind of. I think you'll feel even more happy as you get older about that. I'm happy driving in this car with you and your mom, but just because this car is so cool and unique. It's got so many cool things in it. What's really unique about your family is you guys are all husband, wife, son. You are all into Japanese cars, huh?
We are.
And before you met, was it that way? Did you grow up that way? Kind of?
No.
No.
It was after I saw this car.
This was it.
This was the car.
it.
This was it.
I love it. I
That's
love
what
it.
got me into it.
How old is your son? He's hiding now.
He turned 7 next
Come
month.
here, dude. Come here. Sit up here. 7, and and it looks like he's got the car bug too.
He does.
He does.
My husband has a C5 Corvette, which he bought because he fell in love with it.
Is that a fast car, the C5 Corvette?
Yeah.
That's a
it
fast-
goes 200 miles an hour.
200 miles an hour? Oh, this is actually a mile per hour.
Yeah, this is.
Oh,
I had to get one.
you changed it out.
Yeah, so it's miles per hour on the inside. It's
No
kilometers.
way. How did you get that? How did you get that? I didn't even notice that.
I ordered it from somewhere. I think it was the Figaro shop in the
No
UK.
way! I can't believe that they even have that. You have a rare piece. You have something that is a part of history that I think is so cool, and I think one day your son will grow up and he'll appreciate what's special about this car. Not
Yeah.
about being fast, but about just how special of a car this is. And this car, you know, in Japan you rarely see these anymore.
Really?
Yep. In America, you don't see too many. How many have you seen in Texas?
Maybe like 3 or 4.
You've actually seen that many.
Yeah, well, because the dealer where we buy them from,
Ah, okay.
he has them, and
Oh,
I like to go
okay.
check them out. And
I gotta thank you so much for coming all this way to let me drive your car. I really did fall in love with this car when I first saw it, and the fact that you came all the way out here for us to let me drive it and enjoy it, I'm honored. Thank you.
Aw.
I think your husband's a super nice guy.
Yeah.
Now I know your kid; he's a good kid, and you're not too bad either.
oh, thanks.
You're not too bad either. And you drive a Figaro. Oh, that is so cool. Awesome, awesome. Well, on my channel we do thumbs up. It's a positive message. I want to tell everybody to stay positive, stay happy, keep smiling. Guys, it's not about fast cars or anything like that. It's just about being unique, being different, and having fun, right?
Yep.
That's what we say. So thank you. I had a lot of fun today driving your car. I really appreciate it. I hope to hang out with you guys again soon.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna toot your horn one more time. I love it. チャンネル登録とサムズアップも入れてくださいね。よろしくお願いします。Tell him. You don't speak any Japanese?
Nope.
No. Okay. よろしく。
Yorosh.
よろしく。Thumbs up.
Oh,
Thumbs up.
Yorosh.
よろしく。よろしく just means be good, be happy.
Oh, that's nice.
またチャンネル登録もよろしく。Subscribe to Steve's POV. Okay. Thank you again. I had a great time. Bye.
Kiss me